Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on a 620i special edition Gator. What I'm going to do is change out this throttle body. I'll give you an idea of what it's doing. Notice how it's idling up and down. I disconnect this. Now notice how well it idles. First thing I want to do is remove these two bolts right here. They're a 10mm. Now that those bolts are out, I can just lift this up and go ahead and I can disconnect this throttle right here just by flipping this up, and then just go ahead and pull it out. Now I can just set this aside. Now I'll go ahead and unplug this right here, and I'll go ahead and get these two unplugged. Okay, what you got to do, there's a little hole right here in the side of this. You have to put your screwdriver inside this hole and then pull this out. Because as you can see right here, the clip is right there. And when you put it inside that hole, you're pushing it. Just push it. Like so. Like I said, there's a little hole right there. I'll show you where the hole is on the other one. This is the new one, and right here is the hole I'm talking about. And if you just stick your screwdriver in there and push the clip inward, that connection will just pop right out. Now I need to get this out of the way, so I'm going to take this hose right here and get it off of there, put it over here. I'm going to take this clip right here, push down on this and just pull it off. This one's a little tight. There we go. Put it out of the way. On this side right here, I'm going to take these nuts right here off. There's 4 of them. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get down in here. I'm going to take this nut off and get this out of my way. And the bolt should fall out behind it. Open it up. Because you got another wire under here, just squeeze this back down. Because that wire isn't interfering. It's just this wire right here, and you got a harness right here. It goes right on over. So this way it'll give you a little bit more freedom to get to those bolts. This bolt will probably drop out the bottom. So just put it back in here, but put it in the top so that you don't lose it. Now I'll take these out. Yeah, you might want to go ahead and move your fuel filter downward to get it out of the way for when you pull the throttle body out, because there's not going to be a whole lot of room here, as you can see. I'm going to use one of these. You can use a screwdriver, but you can get in behind here and pull this little plastic tab out, and this will release your fuel filter, and do it on the bottom as well, and then I can drop that down. Okay, now before I pull all this off, I'm going to have to remove this air pipe. I'm going to take an 8mm to take this off. After you get it broke loose, you should be able to just pull it off and out of the way. There we go. Now this should just slide off. There's enough room here. Let me see if I gave myself enough room. And I did. There it is. This part here has to go back on. Make sure you don't lose the gasket. Now as you can see, the throttle body is loose. And what I'm going to have to do, it looks like, I'm going to have to take these threads out and take the throttle body out that way, because it will not come out this way. It's too long. I didn't want to, but I took a small pipe wrench and I put it right here, as you can see. Now that I've got them broke loose, I'll go ahead and put those nuts back on there and run them on out. You know, I'm surprised that I didn't twist these and have to go buy new ones, but it worked. Now that all these rods are out, I can take the throttle body off and go ahead and grab the new one and start putting it on. Okay, here is the new valve body. I got these rods in there. I got the old gasket in there because it did not come with a new gasket. This gasket looks like it's still good as long as it's not torn or destroyed in any way. Also, I had to take this little latch here for the throttle off of the old valve body. Just take a pair of needle nose pliers, pinch it and pull it out and pop it into the new one. Now I'm going to go ahead and bolt this one back up. We'll just slide it down in here like so and just start threading it together. Same way I took it apart. Now that all the rods are tightened back down, check to make sure here that they're all seated. They all should be in about the same distance. And I see this one down here looks like it might need to go in a little bit more. I'll go ahead and slide the gasket on. Now I'll go ahead and slide this on. A little sticky, got some rubber on it. Kind of bring it in the back right here. Push that filter down. Oh, we gotta get this up out of the way. Push this up out of the way. Move this down. There we go. Now it should slide right on. There we go. Everything's in the way over here. Now I'll go ahead and bolt that down. Okay, go ahead and tighten it down. I don't know what the specs are, but I know there is specs for this. Just don't tighten them down with brute force because you could break them. Make sure they're good and snug on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put all the connectors together. Put this one here on. Put this one here in. Snap this one on. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the hose here on. And latch it down. Go ahead and put this little snap fitting there on. I'm going to get the hose and put it on right here. I'm going to go ahead and bolt my wire back down to right here with this clip. I can get it up here. Open it back up. Put it inside here. Put it down. Up for my bolt. Now I'll put my bolt up from the bottom. And get it started. And this is a fiber lock, so you don't have to worry about it coming off. Once I tighten it down, it's not going nowhere. Make sure that's in there. Yep, okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my throttle on. I'm going to set it in here. Just slide it in. Push this latch back. I'll go over here and I'm going to put the two bolts in here. Now I do not want to forget about my fuel filter down here. I need to go ahead and mount that back up into the frame. A little plastic tab, you just push it right back in there. Get all this stuff out of your way. It's right there. Here we go. Now everything looks good and snug down. Now I'll go ahead and fire it up and see what it sounds like. I fixed it. I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.